Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you want?
I want a yogurt.
A yogurt? You ready to go? Okay.
Hey guys, there is only slime challenge.
She's getting mad at me, you guys, because I haven't vlogged. She saw me pull out the camera and she's like, are we vlogging on the channel today? Go up.
Can I have pen in there?
Yeah. So, she's a big girl now. She gets in the car and she buckles herself up. I just help her with the bottom ones. But, we are vlogging today. I have not vlogged. I know, you guys are probably like, shut up already. Because every video that I have uploaded, I say, I haven't vlogged. But, Thanksgiving is in a couple days. So, I've been at my mom's house like every day, helping her bake and just getting stuff ready and stuff like that. It's kind of cold today. It's...
Mommy,
let me check.
yeah. My time is it.
I don't know how cold it is. I don't know how this car works yet, you guys. I don't know. I wanted to tell y'all, but I don't know how to get there. Anyways, it's kind of chilly today. And it's 9:54 in the morning.
Mom.
We are gonna go... I'm letting the car heat up a little bit.
Mom.
Yes.
Play music.
You want me to play music? Hold on. I'm going back to my mom's house today. We've done 6 pounds of hojarascas. She made pumpkin rolls, pecan pie, and today we're gonna be making empanadas de piña. And I think she said she already did like the stuffing and all that for the turkey. And I am so excited for Thanksgiving. So excited. I'm so hungry. You're so excited? Ooh. This is my little thingy-majig. So you guys are gonna see it because I got a car mount for this car. Because in the Durango, like the dashboard was too high and it was like too close to the window that I couldn't flip the screen to the camera up. And this one I can. So I love that I can see myself with the little car mount. So yeah, right now, or let me tell you guys when we get on the road because it's kind of bumpy here. Okay, so like I was saying, we're gonna go to my mother-in-law's restaurant right now before we go to my mom's house because today's Saturday. I didn't even tell you guys what today was.
Mommy, I don't want to go to you.
It's Saturday, November 23rd. We're just gonna go get food and then we're gonna go to grandma's to bake with her.
I want a tortilla.
You want a tortilla? No? Oh, okay. Okay. We're gonna go, today's Saturday, so on Saturdays she makes menudo. And it's like the perfect weather for menudo right now. So I wanted some. Grecia likes it also. So we're gonna go pick that up. I asked my mom, I called her right now to see if she was gonna want some. But her tongue is really escaldada. I don't know how you say that in English. Like, you know when you eat a lot of pineapple that your tongue gets like cut and stuff? That's what my mom has right now. So she was like, if I eat menudo, it's just gonna like tear me up even more. So she doesn't want any. She's just gonna make breakfast for herself at her house because I offered her tacos, but she makes tacos at her house too. So she was like, I'll just make breakfast here while you eat your menudo. And then we're gonna get started on making the empanadas. I don't know if we're gonna have to come to the store though to buy the piña, like the pineapple jelly for them. But whatever that we have to do today, I'm just gonna bring you guys along because I have not vlogged and you guys are blowing up my inbox like on Instagram and Snapchat, and I thank you guys for checking in on me so much. Always bless you. always asking me if I'm okay, if everything's okay, because I have not uploaded anywhere. Yes, everything is fine. I've just been super duper busy. But yeah, we're vlogging today, and I think that's it. I should have put on a sweater, but I did not. I got Grecia's sweater here though, but I didn't bring one for myself. But it should like warm up today. So let's go to Charito.
I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight.
So I got my little bag, but because
Mommy, you didn't get your little bag.
it's because there was no more menudo. She ran out completely. So it's a good thing my mom didn't want any, because she ran out. She gave me like what was left. So now we're gonna go to my mom's house and start all that shenanigans. It's 10:23 already. You guys, there's like a high-speed chase right now. Oh my god. With that truck. Oh my goodness. Ah. He turned, you idiot. He turned. He turned. And they're going straight. Damn. He literally turned into the neighborhood and they kept going straight.
Hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I.
We are going to head on out to get the stuff at the store, like all the ingredients and stuff to make the empanadas. some for the road. Now we're going home. It's 6:46, but we're gonna take my mom into town real quick to get a tostada and a pizza for my brother. So we will see you guys when we get home. Say bye.
Bye.
Just got home. It is 7:28 and I had to vlog on my phone for the rest of the earlier because as soon as we got to my mom's house, the battery on this camera was dying and I didn't take the backup one with me because for some reason I thought that I had charged them, which I had, but since I hadn't vlogged or anything, I thought that, you know, the batteries were still gonna be like full or whatever. Guess not. So I had to vlog on my phone. So this vlog's just gonna be kind of like a memory for us. And if you guys want to watch Grecia making empanadas and hojarascas, because yesterday I had told you guys that we've been baking all week, and yesterday we made hojarascas, so I'm gonna insert that clip also so that you guys can see how cute it is that she knows how to make them. Obviously not the recipe or whatever, but like the steps on how to do them, she knows. Like, she got it down right away. She's definitely my kid and her grandma's granddaughter, because my mom can make some mean hojarascas, so she's learning from the best. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip here real quick so that you guys can see a little bit of yesterday also. Move this back.
Pull it back.
There you go.
I'm making another one.
You're gonna make another one? Here, put it in a circle. A little circle like this. And then with your hand, push it down. Okay.
Use another molde.
Okay, use the diamond. Where's the diamond? Yeah. Which one's the diamond? All right, make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Okay, now lift it.
Oh dear.
Pull it back. Pull it back.
There we go.
Good job. What are you making?
Cookies.
Hojarascas.
Cookies.
Say hojarascas.
Cookies, guys.
Hojarascas.
Hojarascas.
Good job. Wait, hold on. Oh, let me do this real quick.
I help you? This one goes here. I'm helping mommy. Oh, we need the heart.
Good job.
Mira, Selena.
Tell me that wasn't the cutest thing you ever saw. So now we're pretty much gonna go to bed. So this video might not be up until Monday, I think. So excuse me guys, but at least you guys know that I'm vlogging and stuff for you. But it is going to be Thanksgiving week. There's going to be videos going up this week. I'm so excited to finally post them. So you guys will see us soon. So we're gonna go to bed. Are you sleepy?
No.
You're not sleepy. No? She's watching Out of the Box on Disney Plus. It's been her favorite. And then my mom gave her a slice of pizza, so she was eating that also. And I have to put away the milk from earlier. So I'm going to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it was probably a very short one. What happened, girl? You okay? She just face planted on the floor. Are you okay? Yeah? We will see you guys in the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.